All right, so power goes out, you got to reset everything. So this Sony DCR SR86, I think it is. Nope, SR68 is going to get reset because the power went out. So here's how you do it. Clock set, right? Go to New York City. I'm in Eastern Standard Time. Hit next. Okay, daylight savings. I'm going to go off. Okay, we're going to pick the year, 2010. Holy mackerel, this camera is old. All right, so we're going to go down to, we're going to up. Starts 2010. See if it even goes up to 24. Yep. Then hit that button. And we're going to go the month. Today is April. Click the right, 11th. And click again. And now the time, and I believe it's 2, oh gosh, what is it? 2:50, we'll do 53. So you can see it can go up and down, it wraps around. And then hit that, and then hit next when you're done. It gives you the little thing, Greenwich Mean Time -5, which is New York, Eastern Standard Time, daylight savings is off. This is the time and date, hit OK, and it starts from that point. And that's it. So, yeah, that's how you reset the clock on a Sony camcorder. Have a great day. Smash like for me. That helps me, and I'll see you on the next one.